Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping conflicts. Verify the game files now so missing or corrupted assets are repaired. Once done, update your GPU driver and install DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables to match the game's requirements. Make sure overlays and recording tools are closed, including Discord and Steam overlay, since they often cause immediate crashes. Run the launcher as administrator to give proper permissions. This reduces permission-related failures. These steps fix most startup integrity and runtime permission issues right away. Next, isolate the problem by disabling all mods and launching a clean game session. Mods are the most common crash source. Once you confirm vanilla runs, re-enable mods one at a time to find the culprit. If crashes persist, drop heavy graphics settings, lower textures, shadows, and crowd detail, because GPU or VRAM overloads cause mid-game failures. Also check virtual memory and set paging file to 1.5 to 3 times your RAM if Windows reports low memory. This prevents sudden out-of-memory crashes. Finish by reinstalling only when verification and driver updates fail. A fresh install clears stubborn corrupted installs. Before that, try compatibility mode, Windows 8 or 7, and disable full-screen optimizations in the game exe properties, which often stops crashes tied to alt-tabbing or display modes. If problems continue, collect crash logs from My Documents /mount and Blade Roman 2 Bannerlord and run a safe mode reinstallation. Troubleshooting tip: if a crash recurs after reinstall, remove all leftover folders and the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.